3 of the 4 salts that you need will be on the buffet table here. They are sodium hydroxide, ferric nitrate, and copper sulfate. They look different. They're different colors. Please get one of each. You'll notice on the top of each of these that there is this plastic. Just take it off and throw it away. Each one of your salts will need to be vortex, so please place the vortex in the middle of the table where everybody can reach it. For each of the reactions, you're going to be asked to pipette a milliliter of each of the solutions into a small test tube. The pipettes have graduations on them, and this line here at the top, that is 1 milliliter. If you have great skill, you'll be able to measure to 1 milliliter like so. However, another way to do it is to take a lot of liquid into the bulb and then squeeze the liquid out until it gets to 1 milliliter on the top there. If I take my pipette out and I let go of it, the liquid up here is still 1 milliliter. So you don't have to keep it down here in the graduation. You can leave it up here until you're ready to put it into your new test tube. So what I'm depositing out is 1 milliliter. You're going to want to label the test tubes. Please do not write on the white part. It will not come off. You can write on the glass above the white part. Like so. At the sink by the front door, you will find a bottle of ethanol. You'll need your own paper towel. The reason why you only write on the glass is because when you put ethanol on it and rub it with a paper towel, it comes right off. For cleanup today, I'm going to ask that you take all the Sharpie off of your test tubes and dump the liquid into a sink. You can dump the liquid into any sink. Then bring your test tubes over to this front sink and place them into one of these containers. The big containers for the big test tubes and the small containers for the small test tubes. Place them facing down, the open face down, like so. And it's at an angle so they all sit down. You're going to stack them from bottom up. The small test tubes go over here. Again, the opening goes down. If you have a test tube that you have centrifuge and there is salt at the bottom, this will not come out very easy. Before you dump it into the sink, vortex it. That will mix the salt up and make it much easier to pour out. So if you have an insoluble salt at the bottom, vortex so it loosens it, dump it out, and then you can put it in the sink containers.